Flying motorbike Skyrider X1 reaches 100 km per hour to bypass urban traffic jams. As urban congestion worsens in major cities around the world, personal flying vehicles, often called flying motorbikes, are emerging as a promising future solution. Recently, American aerospace tech company Rictor introduced the Skyrider X1, a flying motorbike designed to literally rise above traffic gridlock. Unveiled at CES 2025. The Skyrider X1 made its debut at CES 2025, one of the world's largest consumer electronics shows, held in Las Vegas from January 7 to 10. The event showcased cutting-edge technologies, and the Skyrider X1 quickly captured attention from media and tech enthusiasts alike. Rictor, which previously launched an electric motorbike named Rictor K1, is now expanding into aerial mobility with the X1, designed for efficient operation in crowded urban environments. Impressive design and features. The Skyrider X1 is equipped with 8 electric propellers to ensure stability and redundancy in case of mechanical issues. The vehicle can reach a top flying speed of 100 km per hour, 62 miles per hour, and offers flight times ranging from 25 to 40 minutes, depending on the battery configuration. X1 SL version uses a 10.5 kWh battery, with a flight time of about 25 minutes. X1 SX version, equipped with a larger 21 kWh battery, capable of flying up to 40 minutes. The vehicle features automated takeoff and landing, as well as smart route planning based on location and current battery level. It can adapt in real time to weather and environmental conditions, automatically adjusting altitude, speed, and direction to ensure a safe and efficient journey. Safety as a top priority. According to Rictor, the Skyrider X1 was built with high safety standards in mind. A sealed cockpit protects the rider from weather conditions and turbulence. A triple redundant control system enhances operational reliability. Manual control options are available, including a joystick for those who prefer hands-on flying. A built-in emergency parachute system allows for safe landings in case of critical failures. The vehicle can still land safely even if one motor fails. Pricing and commercial launch timeline. Rictor plans to begin production of the Skyrider X1 in 2026, with an estimated retail price of $60,000. The company envisions a near future where personal air travel is no longer a sci-fi dream but a practical part of daily commuting. Challenges to mass adoption. Despite its promise, the mass deployment of personal aerial vehicles like the Skyrider X1 faces significant challenges. Regulatory hurdles. Urban air mobility laws and flight certifications are still under development in many countries. Infrastructure gaps. Cities currently lack the aerial traffic management systems needed to support these vehicles. Market skepticism. The collapse of similar projects, such as Quadcopter, which failed to secure safety certification for manned air taxis at the Paris 2024 Olympics and later filed for bankruptcy, underscores the risks involved. With the Skyrider X1, Rictor aims to rewrite that narrative by offering a flying vehicle that combines smart technology, safety, and real-world applicability. However, its success will depend heavily on regulatory support and market acceptance. Explore the skies like a pro with the L900 Pro SE, high-end GPS drone with 4K camera. Love flying tech? Want to capture stunning cinematic aerial shots? The L900 Pro SE is your ultimate personal drone companion. Top features. Dual 4K Ultra HD cameras, crystal clear footage from every angle. Advanced GPS navigation, auto-return when signal is lost or battery runs low. Foldable and portable, perfect for travel, outdoor adventures, and content creators. Flight range up to 1,200 meters, experience real freedom in the sky. Long battery life, fly up to 25 minutes on a single charge. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned aerial filmmaker, the L900 Pro SE will impress you from the very first takeoff. Shopping cart. Get it now on AliExpress, unbeatable price and worldwide shipping. Link to see details and purchase product in video description. The next product is also very cool is the drone, SJRC F22 S2 PRO Plus Professional Drone with 4K EIS camera GPS 6 km 2-axis gimbal 40 minutes FPV obstacle avoidance brushless RC drone. Unleash your creativity with the SJRC F22 S2 PRO Plus, next-gen professional 4K drone. Ready to elevate your content to new heights? The SJRC F22 S2 PRO Plus isn't just a drone, it's your eye in the sky with unmatched stability, clarity, and intelligence. Why this drone stands out: 4K EIS camera with 2-axis gimbal, super stable, cinematic footage even in motion, GPS smart navigation plus obstacle avoidance, fly confidently, safely, and hands-free. Up to 6 km control range, explore farther than ever before. 40 minutes of flight time, double the sky time for your adventures. Brushless motor power, smoother, quieter, and longer-lasting performance. Foldable, compact design, easy to pack, perfect for travelers and creators. Whether you're a vlogger, traveler, or drone enthusiast, the SJRC F22 S2 PRO Plus is engineered to capture every breathtaking moment, from above. Grab yours today on AliExpress, global shipping and hot deals. Link to see details and buy the product in the video description. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, don't forget to leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to Best Products 365 for more exciting updates on the latest in science and technology. Hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the hottest tech trends and future innovations. See you in the next video, and until then, stay curious and stay ahead.